Guys, welcome back to another video. We are here today to talk about all things Jamaica, all things travel, and I just wanted to do a recap of the time I went to Blue Lagoon in Portland, Jamaica, and what I would literally advise you to do before going. So guys, welcome back. I am so excited to see you guys coming again for another video with me. It really warms my heart. So like I said in the intro, we're going to be talking about Blue Lagoon and things you should know before going to that beautiful place. Like, it is gorgeous, but there are some safety tips and other tricks that I found when I experienced that place, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Number one, which is that the Blue Lagoon is free. Entry is free. You don't have to pay anything, so you don't have to worry in carrying extra money because the persons are going to hustle you. Make sure that you do not pay anything because entrance is free. However, there are boat rides. Once you come on the property, there are many boat rides, there are many people trying to sell you things, so make sure that you just buy stuff that you need. Don't be pressured into buying stuff from them just because they're trying to sell. I know it's hard since we're in a panoramic and all, but just go there to enjoy yourself and just kindly say, no thank you today, maybe next time, even though you're not going to go back for next time, but just kindly tell them that you're not interested. All right, so once you come into the property, you don't have to pay anything. However, who says that there are boat rides and rafting. There's boat rides to the other side of the lagoon, and then there is also Monkey Island. So those rides are negotiable. I'm going to tell you that. Do not be bamboozled, or do not feel pressured, like I said, to spend so much money on one boat ride from Blue Lagoon entrance to the other side of the lagoon. Like, don't be pressured. If you don't feel like it is a fair trade, tell them that, and negotiate, bargain, whatever you have to do. Seriously, walk with your gut. And whatever your gut says, go with it. But be reasonable, guys, be reasonable. So before I go into actually taking the boat, because you don't want to be sitting down on the side of the lagoon just saying, yeah, I went to Blue Lagoon. No, you want to explore the place, and there's so much to explore there, right? But before you reach there and you're still in your car, parking, which is number 3, parking is limited. It is a narrow road going in, so if you can actually carpool with your friends, so you don't have like 9 or you're driving 9 cars, carpooling is our thing. It is recommended. I advise that you carpool because it saves on space. When I tell you the road is narrow, you're literally driving to park on this side. It's like a 2-lane, right? Park on this side, and then this lane is to reverse and get out of the lagoon. I kid you not, there is little to no space, and if you bought your license, well, I can't help you because you're going to be stuck in there for a while and there is nobody to help you. All right. So the actual Blue Lagoon, which is point number 4, is 400 feet. It is not shallow. Do not think that you will be able to stand anywhere, and wherever you are able to stand, it goes like 1, 2, duh. It's a big jump, a big drop, and it will shock you into thinking that you can't even swim. Like how it is just 1, 2 drop, and it's scary. I can swim and I was terrified. All right, so it is 400 feet. If you drop your car keys, if you drop your earring back, if you drop your phone case, I can't help you because you ain't gonna get that thing back. So make sure that you leave your valuables in the car, take off your jewelry, take off anything else that could possibly be dropped, and leave it. So number whatever this is, if you are a swimmer, you should still proceed with caution. I am a swimmer. I've been swimming since I could, before I could walk actually. And when I tell you that I got into difficulty, like I'm not going to lie about this, I got into difficulty in the Blue Lagoon. I literally, I kid you not, by time, I don't even remember if I reached halfway, but by time I reached wherever, because I'm here swimming my heart out, and all now I don't see the shore, still don't see the shore to this day. And I got really exhausted. Like I got really exhausted. I was treading, I was trying to float on my back and go through. It is not for the faint of heart. And if you have asthma, do not do it. If you're tired from the trip, do not swim. Do not swim over to the other side. And because you want to save money on the boat ride, just take boat ride and done. Like seriously, this is probably the biggest recommendation for you right now. If you're tired, if you have asthma, proceed with caution and request a jacket. Request a life jacket, guys. It is not bad man don't need life jackets. Bad man need life jacket to survive. Bad man need life jacket so you don't dead. All right, so take my advice and get a life jacket, or just stay in the boat when you're going across to the Blue Lagoon. And this is the other side, not to Monkey Island. The other side with the bathroom and the bar. Yeah, so it ties into the sixth point. The sixth thing I wish I knew is that the bathroom is on the other side of the Blue Lagoon. So if you were wanting to pee from you left Kingston or left Ocho Rios or wherever you left, you're going to have to cross to the other side to use the bathroom. Now I don't know if they're going to charge you to go over there, but the thing is that they shouldn't be charging because you want to use the bathroom and you didn't tell them to put it on the other side of the lagoon. But yeah, you have to travel over to use the bathroom. So yeah, keep in mind when you want to change and all that jazz. Change before you come, put on your swimsuit before you leave your yard, because yeah, there are not enough swimsuit changing areas on the side that you actually park. Yeah, they open fairly early, so if you leave wherever you live or wherever you're staying, you can actually reach Portland or the Blue Lagoon and be able to use the facilities for the time being. So you don't have to wait until like 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock on a Saturday. They open fairly early and then they close at 6 every day. So the next thing I forgot to say is that they do have life jackets free of cost. So do not let nobody hustle you into paying for a life jacket. They have life jackets and safety gear, so you don't have to worry with that. And if you get into any problems, they are there to help you. I remember when I was calling out for help in the middle of the Blue Lagoon water and the boat literally dived over to me along with my friend. Forever indebted to him, because sweet baby Jesus, I was really terrified at that, because you have nothing to hang on to, you have nothing to hold and grab and shout for, safety nets. It's just you and the water. So yeah, they put safety measures in place, so they're always on hand, on call to help you, because the boat came relatively quickly, best believe. And then I was just able to use the boat and my friend over to the other side of the lagoon and learn my lesson. So I wouldn't be doing that without a life jacket again. If you don't have stamina, don't try. Don't try. The next point is that they do not allow igloos. So if you and your friends come to party and you bring a big igloo of ice and drinks and liquor and all that good stuff, you can't take it out of the car. I am so sorry guys, but you can't take it out of the car. It is a thing for them because they are just trying to make a little change to feed them family and live a good life. So they encourage you to actually buy from the bar. Mind you, the bar prices are really expensive in any currency. if you're a tourist, if you're a local, it's still expensive. I think they charge like $1,400 for a flask of overproof rum. Like, I can get that in the supermarket for like $500. Come on. So yeah, they tell you to buy from the bar, and they have people jerking things outside of the Blue Lagoon, so they encourage you to buy food from them too. But they don't tell you that you cannot bring like bears and little things with you. So you just put them in your bag and you go about your business. All right. So there's that. I don't know what point this is, but there are gonna be people, I think I touched on it earlier, there are going to be people trying to sell you things, and it gets really overwhelming at times, because you know, you have like 10-12 people on your back as soon as you open the door and step foot out of the car. It is annoying, lack for a better word. And you know, I think if more persons just look at it from the standpoint that, you know, they're just trying to make a money, they're just trying to hustle during a panoramic, they're just trying to put food on the table for their family, then I guess you're not so aggressive to say no, I don't want this. You kind of, yeah, but you can kindly, like I said, you can just kindly say no, and they'll leave you alone after a while. But yeah, there are people selling everything. Every nook and cranny, there's somebody selling something to you. Like it's going out of style. That's why you don't even have parking in the people in place, because there are so many people that set up shop there. Seriously. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. You have the option to stay over the other side of the lagoon or go to Monkey Island. There's an option, because when I was before I came there, I was of the impression that you can only take the boat to Monkey Island and then call it a day. Like, there's nothing else to do there. But you can laze by the other side of the lagoon. It is pretty nice because they put out chairs and tables, and you know, they have some good music playing, and once you go with friends, it's a whole vibe. It's like a vibe on a private island kind of thing. Yeah. So if you don't want to take the sojourn right over to Monkey Island, because it's kind of far and I think people get seasick. Mind you, if you do, bring your mints and your gravel and them things there to help you, because you don't want to be stuck on the island and feeling sick, and then, you know, waste your money spending to take a raft or a boat over there and you can't enjoy it. Yeah, so bring those. That's another advice for you in this point. But you can just stay on the other side of the lagoon. It's a whole vibe. Can't say I didn't tell you. And the last one is that you should bring water shoes. Water shoes, it is probably one of the most important points, because water shoes save your feet. They save your feet. It's for two reasons. One being that there are trees that come out and the roots just stick up, and it will mess up your feet. Like the bottom of my feet, stripped and cut, and I couldn't walk on it for a little bit. And yeah, I wouldn't advise you to go through that pain while you're trying to enjoy Portland. And secondly, because the sand is really, really mushy, it is just not a good feeling on your foot bottom. So yeah, to avoid all that discomfort, just wear water shoes. Saves lives, man. It saves lives. So guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed, because you know, we are all looking forward to a trip to Portland. Curfew has been extended, borders are open back and welcoming tourists, and we are just looking forward to hidden gems and good places to explore during this pandemic. All right, if you have not joined the family, just click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button below and join the family and keep up to date with all the good things happening. I'm going to be doing more travel videos. They're mostly going to be posted on Saturdays, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next video, my awesome people. Bye.